Rolling.
Hello everyone! Today we're gonna do something quick, hopefully. We don't know yet. But we want to install a Cruz Roof Rack on our van. We bought it for our wedding anniversary. That's a very romantic present, I think. A bunch of metal pipes. That's romantic. But we want to put it on the roof. We actually planned this from the very beginning because we want to have solar panels on the roof, but we are not gonna have the complete set of them from the very beginning. We want to expand a little bit, and we think that with the rack on the roof it's gonna be a bit easier to change the configuration later, because if you just use typical holders for the solar panels, right, then you have to glue them straight to the roof. So this way we're gonna have some nice roof rack with wooden deck that we're gonna build, and then we can have our it is romantic. We can have romantic picnics on the roof.
Yeah, if we have place when we install the panels.
We're gonna sit on the panels. I don't know if that's good for panels, but
We'll see.
Yeah, but this is what we want to do. We want to try it because we had this roof rack in our van for a long time. We want to get rid of it, and actually you have to install it from above and from below, right? So, you know, you just attach it to the roof. So if we want to insulate the ceiling, we need to finish this first. So yeah, well, you'll see if it was easy or not with the footage we're gonna show you, so enjoy.
We don't know yet, and we have only a couple of hours till sunset, so
We'll see.
crossing fingers.
So first we need to take these out of the pre-made holes that we have. And then we just degrease everything, and then we're gonna put these elements with this rubber element underneath, and then from below Marcin is gonna attach the second part. So this is the first part, and then we have a bunch of other elements we have to put in here in some kind of order. So as you can see, we have one issue here. This needs to go through here. These elements are all like the base for the roof rack, and unfortunately they're attached to these horizontal pieces, so we will have to cut it, just this one, so we can open the window, something like this, to make a space for it, right? The issue is that because we have only 4 on each side, we need all of them to support the roof, and actually after we have the roof deck on this piece, although it's gonna be cut, will be attached to the roof deck, and I think it's gonna be stable, hopefully. So we need to cut. So basically the manual says you're supposed to build the whole platform on the ground and then bring it up and just place it and, you know, attach it. But it's heavy and there are 2 of us only. So we are doing it our way, and we just brought each piece up here on the roof, and we're basically assembling it on the roof directly. So that's why we have a problem with that piece.
With these pieces I'm just securing the metal parts because I scratched it on the other on the right side.
But we're gonna paint it with...
Our trusty Hammerite paint.
Yeah.
And just rolling with it, as you can see.
Why do we always have to do the worst parts at night?
Slowly comes together. We just need to get these pieces as close to get the screw in, and then the screws will do their part. Okay, I think it's enough.
The worst parts at night? Yeah, always. And it really doesn't matter when we start. We always finish at night. We can
That's how
start.
we roll, baby.
Yeah.
But look, it's hard to see, but it looks great.
I screwed it too tight, and it is just bent like S.
Oh,
Who the f is giving you force of screwing this thing in the instruction manual for normal people in newtonometers? So now we are just tightening the screws that need to be tightened before we can move the vehicle, and afterwards we will finish everything tomorrow.
then we can actually show what we did.
That's not so bad, right?
And if you are wondering what this light is, it's a IKEA lamp fixed to the camera tripod.
Oh, it's super hard.
Apparently you are not supposed to put these parts before mounting the front spoiler. So yeah, of course I will have to do it once again. So what's the purpose of this silicone?
The screws are not completely tight. There is a very slim chance that there can be a leak. So we're putting silicone in just in case. We just wanted everything what's on the roof to be watertight.
That one fits better.
It really does. That one is like crooked. Everything is crooked. Whole world is crooked.
Polish crossing fingers. It's like holding your thumb, and this is crossing fingers everywhere else.
Everywhere else, right?